Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix DNS probe finished NXDOMAIN error in Chrome. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, you have to go control panel, click on control panel, then click on network and internet. Select here network and sharing center, then click on change adapter setting, then right click on your Wi-Fi, click on properties. In this you select internet protocol version 4, then click on properties. Under property, select use the following DNS server address, then type here 8 and 8, then type alternate DNS server 8 4 and 4, then click on OK. After clicking OK, check your problem solved or not. If not, then change server, then type 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1, then click on OK. After doing this, close this window, go to the command prompt, right click on command prompt, click on as administrator. Here copy and paste some command. I'll give these all commands on my video description. Copy and paste here. Copy first command, then paste here, then paste here, hit enter, then copy second command, hit enter, then copy third command, then paste, hit enter, then copy fourth command and paste here, then hit enter, then copy and paste last command, then hit enter. After doing this, once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.